My name's Robbie Bulger. I like fast women, fast bikes, yeah, and close shaves too, yeah. I'm a professional stunt rider, so go and try this at home with you. I'm always getting asked Dad. Maybe it's big licks I got there from my mother or something like that. Oh, she's a feisty one. Anyway, some fellas from Yamaha want me to do the worst on the new bike, you see. Then they go telling me that they won an American drag racing championship. The thing I don't understand, is it a cruiser or a sports bike? That's the thing. Well, whatever it is, it's a big mother. Got to push her at 1670cc V-twin to boat at it. And sure it is. Man alive, it really hooks up when you dump the clutch. And the fat rear tyre. Oh, look at her tyre. No, sure it handles like a sports bike. It looks like a hog. Sure it's got power to burn. Because sure it took some punishment for old Robbie here. But does it pull? Pull the birds? Think, oh, hello. Well, we'll see. We'll see.